3D is overrated. There, I said it. Now the 3 spatial dimensions we live in, obviously those are great. I'm talking about 3D in films. Now before you get butthurt, hear me out. When a science fiction or an action thriller or a Fahad Fasil film comes out, our first instinct is to book 3D film tickets because who doesn't want to watch Fahad Fasil right up close in your face? Anyway, technically that's a bad idea. So the glasses that we use to watch 3D films are polarized and are hence made of darkened lenses, which is what helps us have the 3D experience. But that also makes the image much darker, which is why you must have noticed that when scenes are set, especially in the night or somewhere dark, it's hard to make out what's happening on the screen without the help of sound. Plus, the glasses kind of shrink the scope of the screen and make it much smaller. But these issues are relatively minor and can be worked with. The directors and the creators just have to be extra careful. The actual problem here is something called the Vergence accommodation conflict, and it has to do with how our visual system works. So depending upon how far an object is from us that we want to see, our eye muscles help our lenses converge accordingly because our eyes want to focus on that object. If it's close, then the focal length reduces and we look almost cross-eyed, as we look while trying to kiss someone with our eyes open. I've never tried it. I got to know about this through my research. And when the object is far away from us, then our eyes are almost parallel to each other. They barely converge. Our brain can calculate how far an object is from us and then send signals to our eye muscles to contract or relax until the desired distance is reached. So how is this related to 3D? So let's say the screen where the film is playing is 60 feet away from you. Now when the 3D effect kicks in, images start popping up about 50, 10, 30, 40 feet away from you, and your eye constantly has to keep shifting its focus to keep track of everything that's happening on the screen while also keeping its focus on the plane of the screen where the story is being told. I'll show you how this works. So I'll hold 2 pens in front of me, one away and one close to me. Now I have to focus on the orange pen the whole time while also focusing on this green pen that keeps moving. Now it's not humanly possible to do this, is it? Because when our eyes are trying to look at something, they converge onto that object, making the background and the foreground entirely blurry. But in theater, even when objects are popping out of the screen, the background is clear and not blurry. And we have to keep our focus on the plane of the screen without getting distracted by the 3D actions. Which is why after half an hour or so, a lot of people get headaches, feel uneasy, even nauseous for that matter. Even though we're the most evolved species of all time, our eyes are only capable of doing so much as focusing on one object at a time. Another thing about 3D is that it keeps the audience from being fully immersed in the film, constantly reminding them that they're in a certain perspective relationship to the image. Like the renowned editor Walter Murch, who shares my hatred for 3D, said, "A good story will give you more dimensionality than you can ever cope with." Plus, editing these films takes a lot longer than editing 2D films. Lastly, people like me, जिनको 2 चश्मे पहनने पड़ते हैं देखने के लिए, can only be peer pressured or FOMO'd into watching 3D.